Hello again, it's another tutorial from Archive Films. It's a tutorial for a trick I just showed you called the prediction card trick. Depending on whatever card, well, to start off, depending on whatever card you want to do as the prediction, you'll select. But as I showed in the video, I did the 4/8, so that's what I'm going to use for this. Right, basically, we've got the 4/8. What I need to do, one of the 8 has to go on top of the deck. So there. So the 8 is on top of the deck. Now you turn it over, so they're all face up. Now depending on whatever card you're because mine's an 8, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put one of the cards in the 8th position, then one of the card in the 9th position. So it'll be 8 and 9. But if you're doing cards, say if you're doing it with the 4 6s, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One would go in the 6th and the 7th. If you're doing the 9s, you'd count to 9. One would go in the 9th position and the 10th. If you're doing 7s, 7 and 8. If you're doing the 4, 4 and 5. So it's basically that. So now you've got the basic setup. Now all you need to do is you need to put this 8 somewhere in the deck. Personally, I like to go in the 9th position because it's easy to count. So now, because I know that's in the 9th position, I can say, right, deck of cards, I'm going to pick a prediction card. And what I like to do is I like to count 3s. So 3, 6, 9. I know that's my card. Well, so it's in the 10th position, but it's after the 3 threes. So go, right, I'm going to pick a prediction card. I'll do this one. We all know it's that. You say, right, I'm just going to put this to the side. What you need to do is you need to turn it over. So the face up, where the 2 face up 8s will be. Right, now what you need to do is, as you're putting them down, you need to keep them talking. So I keep on saying things until I get past the 8s. So I usually say something like, yeah, just say stop whenever you want. So they can't say stop before the 8s. So they stop there. Right, you know an 8 is already on the top of this. So you put it there. Then these there. So you already know that's either 8 or whatever card you decide to pick. And you say, right, I'm going to put down a certain amount of cards. Well, before you do that, you tap a pile, sorry. So let's say they pick this one. Let's just say I'm going to put down a certain amount of cards. This pile will tell us 8. But if they didn't pick that pile, they pick this pile. Let's say, right, this pile is going to show us an amount of number, and we're going to put that amount of cards down from this pile. So you can see how it reverse order sort of thing. So let's say this one. Right, let's do this one. Right, I'm going to put down a certain amount of cards from this pile. This card will tell us. You know that's the 8. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know these 2 cards are the 8s. So 1 8 goes there, and the other will end up there. Right? There you say 1 8 times that, make 2 8s. Want to go a step further? Got the 3 8s in my card for 8. Thank you. It's a good trick to do on your mates. It will fall on. Like I said, it's only a quick matter of setup. But other than that, it's a good trick and you'll surprise all your friends. So please check out my channel, please subscribe, and see you next time.